y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then welcome. I really hate doing voiceovers, but today I'm showing y'all how I did my first Flexi ride set on my natural hair. I did start off with clean hair, so if you want to see my wash day routine, you can check it out on TikTok or you can watch my YouTube shorts. I'm going to be using this Aussie hair leave-in conditioner. I don't really know if I like it or not, but I don't know. I just use it. And then I'm using this argan oil. I love this stuff, y'all. Like, this is one of my favorite hair products. I put this on my hair because I blow dried some of my sections, but this one I didn't. But I'm using the Lottie Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. And you want to apply a generous amount because you want the hair to be smooth. It got a little dry, so I sprayed some water on it. So spray a little water, apply the mousse, and then I detangle it with my brush. And I really didn't know how to roll these, y'all. Like, I wanted to do like the little spiral type of method, but I was concerned about my ends staying in the flexi rod. So I did the same way I rolled my perm rod set. So yeah. Okay, so I also want to mention, when I said I was blow drying some of the sections, I wasn't blowing my hair out. I was just blow drying the hair while it was still in a twist, just so my hair won't be soaking wet because I did have to go to work the next day. Okay, I'm going to let y'all watch me do one more, and then I'm going to come back and show y'all my takedown process. I really thought that it was going to be ugly, so if y'all see me looking a little mad, that's why. Okay, y'all, so this step right here, separating the curls, is the most important part after installing them. You want to make sure that you're, first of all, have some oil on your hands to reduce the frizz, and then just gently separate the curls and twist it around your fingers. Just so, you know, you can still keep their curl definition and, again, reduce frizz. And yeah. Okay, y'all, so now I'm on to the last step, which is just picking and fluffing my hair. You want to make sure that you hold your ends so you don't disturb the curl pattern. I ain't gonna lie though, at some point I didn't do that because I thought it was gonna be ugly, y'all, so I kind of had went ham. I don't think it was on this side, but I think it was on that other side. Yeah, I really thought it was ugly. Like, I still do prefer the perm rod sets over the flexi rod set, but it looked kind of similar like as the days went on, but the first day I just was really not feeling my hair like at all. All right, y'all. So these were my final results. Like I said, after the first day, I did come to like it. So let me know what y'all think and make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in my next video.